Hi guys, welcome to this week's vlog. So it is Friday and it is 6:30 in the morning. I just got up, did my skincare routine, and I'm getting ready for the day. So I'm gonna do my makeup and get ready for work. So yeah, let's just get started. Hi guys, so I just got ready, did my hair, did my makeup, got dressed. Steve is driving me to work today because
to the train.
Oh, just kidding. To the train because yeah, he is. So I am gonna go to work and then I'm gonna go get Starbucks and then I'm gonna go to work. And then I'm gonna work my beautiful long hours and then I'm gonna come home and it's the weekend. So yeah. Alright guys, I will see you later. I'll probably show you what I got at Starbucks. So yeah, see you there. Hi guys, so it's much later. Obviously came back from work. I got ready because I'm going out with my friends. So I just did my makeup, my hair, and I'm dressed. But I wanted to show you guys two things I ordered from Amazon that came in that I love so far. So hold on. So the first are these cute blue light glasses. They're so cute. I feel like they definitely work because you can like literally see the difference as soon as you put them on, and they're super cute. So I got these. They were like 12 bucks on Amazon, so I'm gonna link them down below for you guys. So loving those. And then I got these super cute like Ray-Ban knockoffs. These are so cute. Oh my god, I'm so obsessed. I love the frame. It's like, I don't even know, but they're really nice. Like on the edges, they have like the gold frame, and then they're just black. Super cute. Also from Amazon, and I think these were, I think $14 or $12, but I'll also link those below. All right, guys. So I'm about to head out, and I'll see you all later. Bye. Hi guys. Good morning. So I am on my way to go get my hair done. And oh my god, I gotta put my sunnies because I'm not like hungover from yesterday. I am just extremely whoops. Okay, so I'm not hungover from yesterday. I'm just extremely tired because we came in around like 3:30, 4 a.m. and I'm just exhausted. It is 7:30 right now, so pretty tired. So I'm gonna go and get some coffee. Hopefully I have time, and then I'm gonna go to my hair appointment. And I kind of lost my voice a little bit because of course I was singing to all the songs, so it kind of sounds like I'm sick or something. So there's that. But yeah, I'm on my way to go get my hair, so I will see you guys after I get my hair done. Hi guys, so I just got my hair done by the beautiful Juliana. She killed it. It looks amazing, I think. No, I know it looks amazing. She does such a good job, and she styled it for me. So yeah, loving it. Looks so cute. I'm so ready for fall. So yeah, I'm on my way home. I'm gonna go grab some lunch because it's 11 o'clock and get the day started. All right guys, see you later. Hey guys, so I got home and Steve actually made pasta for us, so I ate like a little bowl of that. Now I'm gonna do my makeup and get ready because I'm gonna go take Insta pics. But yeah, loving my hair, guys. She absolutely killed it like always. Yeah, she just does such a great job, so she is amazing. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, get ready, and I'll see you when I'm on my way to go take pictures. Hi guys, so I got ready, got dressed, and we went out to go take pictures. That went really good, and we got 2 looks done, which was awesome. So now Steve is getting his second coffee for the day because he's extremely tired because we went out last night, like I said. So he's getting his iced coffee, and we are near Home Depot, so I'm gonna go check out pumpkins because my mom actually told me that Home Depot has really cute and expensive pumpkins, so I want to get a couple to decorate around the house. And yeah, I do have a couple of things I want to do and get like errands to run. So I'm going to try to take you guys along for that. But yeah, I'll let you know if I end up getting anything at Home Depot. Okay guys, so we went to Home Depot and the pumpkins were cute, but we couldn't decide on like how many we wanted and what kind of shapes because they had like all the weird cool looking ones, so we're not sure yet. So we're actually gonna go to Bath and Body Works to get fall candles because we ran out from last year, and then we are also gonna go to Victoria's Secret because I heard they're having a sale, so I just want to check out some stuff. So yeah, we're heading there now. It is so nice out. It doesn't feel like fall, but that's okay because I love the summer weather. Steve is more of a fall kind of guy. He's looking so cute and tan. Alright guys, so I'll see you later. So I got like 1 or 2 candles from Bath and Body Works. I'll show you guys that when I'm back home, but we just stopped home really quick to change.
That's what I was trying to show.
So cute. I stopped home really quick to change and pick up the boys because we're taking them to the park. So yeah, we're gonna take them to the park, enjoy the rest of today. Where's my? There he is. Hello. Hello guys. Oh, so cute. So funny. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna take them to the park and yeah. Alright guys, see you later. Hi guys, good morning. So last night we ended up getting dinner, coming home and catching up on our shows that we missed throughout the week, and going to sleep. So I forgot to vlog that part, but it's the next day. It is Sunday and we are on our way to our workout. I'm really excited because I love working out. I just feel so good after. So yeah, we're gonna go do that, and then we are gonna go either get breakfast or make breakfast, not sure yet. And then, yeah, we're just gonna tidy up the house and get everything ready for the week. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Hi guys, so just got done with my workout. I look crazy, hair's a mess. Skin is kind of glowing, but that is sweat. So yeah, just got done. Such a good workout. Very happy that I woke up and I went because I feel amazing. So now we are gonna go get breakfast, thinking we're gonna get omelets. What do you think? Yeah, we're gonna get omelets, and then we're gonna head home and get ready for the day. All right guys, see you later. So we just got home. I just want to show you how great this looks. This is the feta and spinach omelet with home fries, and it just looks amazing. I'm so excited to eat it. So this is my breakfast. Oh, and I'm also gonna make coffee. So I'm gonna have this for breakfast and then tidy up the house, get everything ready because it's also game day. So the game starts at 1, so we're gonna watch that. But we gotta clean and everything before we sit down to watch the game. But yeah, all right guys, see you later. Guys, so I know I told you that I went to Bath and Body Works yesterday and I got a couple things I just wanted to show you. So the first candle we got was, it's like the seasonal one, so this is called Autumn looks like this, and it is really nice. It is bright red gala apple, juicy fig, eucalyptus leaf, fir, I don't know what that means, beer, I don't know, balsam with essential oils, and it just smells so nice, and like it's the perfect scent in my opinion for the fall season. Then there was like not a lot of other scents that we really liked because a lot of them were like pumpkin-y or like really sweet, so we were not liking those. Sorry if you can hear Wes in the background. He's crying because Steve's outside doing something in his car and he sees him from the window, so he like cries because he wants to be outside with him. Okay, so yeah, so Steve actually ended up picking this one up as like a general scent for like all year round. This is the Midnight Blue Citrus. So this one has notes of juicy citrus, fresh spring water, and sweet mango. So it is fresh but like a subtle like sweet hint. So those are the two we got, and then I also want to show you other ones that we have from last year that we're going to use again this year. So one of our favorites is Frosted Cranberry. So this one has cedarwood, orange essential oils, and notes of iced cranberries. So this one's really good. We got it last year and we're gonna use it, we'll finish it up this year. And then we also got, I know they sold this one at what's it called, they still have it this year. We saw it, so we didn't buy one because we had a full one. It's called Flannel. This looks like this, and this one has orange peel and I can't even say this, patchouli, I don't even know how to say that, guys, sorry, essential oils, and notes of soft musk. So yeah, those are like the four that we're gonna be we're gonna keep on rotation for the months of October and November. So our house is gonna be nice and fall smelling. So we have those, and then we also have a couple more for the winter months, so like December, January, February, and I'm going to show you guys those when the time comes, and we're also going to get more as like the season starts to roll in. So yeah, just wanted to update you guys on that. I just changed really quick because Steve's doing laundry, and I don't want to shower yet because I'm going to deep clean my house, so I want to make sure that like I don't shower and then sweat and then have to shower again. So still like this, messy bun, whatever, and I just changed. So I'm going to go ahead and get started and clean. So I'm going to try to do a quick speed clean. So it's game time. We're watching the Giants. I'm gonna show you what the boys look like. Look at Miley, so cute, wearing his Giants jersey, and then there's Wes. The boys are Giants game ready. So yeah, we're just watching the game. Yep, just watching the game, hanging with the boys. Oh my god. So yeah, that's what we're doing, hanging out. Ooh. I'm still like in the middle of cleaning because again, it's the end of the week, so we just like really deep clean our house. So I'm in the middle of doing that, so watching the game, cleaning, doing all that at the same time, multitasking. All right guys, I will see you in a bit. So we just went to Trader Joe's and got groceries for the week. Sorry, the lighting is kind of weird. So yeah, we got a ton of what did we get? A ton of fall / Halloween pumpkin-y things. So we're gonna show you what we got when we get home. All right guys, see you later. Hi guys, so we just got back from Trader Joe's, so I want to share with you guys a couple of things that we got, including the fall themed foods, treats, I don't know. But yeah, I'm going to show you guys really quick. Okay, so this is just a little overview, so I'm going to start over here. So we got pumpkin waffles. We're going to try these out. Hopefully they're good. So yeah, we got a pack of these. We also got pretzels. These are really good. And our popcorn that we always get with, oh my god, I can't even read. Organic extra virgin olive oil. We also saw these and thought these would be really good to try. Maple and sea salt kettle corn. So that'll be nice. Picked up one of these sparkling waters and these organic carrots. I like that they're a bunch of colors. They're very like fall, in my opinion. I love that. And then these apple cider cookies. I love apple cider stuff, so I think these would be a nice treat. We also got dark chocolate peanut butter cups, pasta. That's like one of my favorite pastas, really good. Grape tomatoes, baby spinach. I got a pink lady apple kombucha. This is like my favorite. I also picked up these. I think these will be really good. These are chipotle vegetable quesadillas. So I'm gonna try these out sometime this week. Romaine hearts for salads, cucumbers for salads, red seedless grapes, blueberries, some pink lady apples, and organic marinara sauce. This is like one of our favorites. So yeah, this is everything that we got. We're gonna be putting stuff away, and yeah. Hi guys, so I just filmed a video on this makeup look, so stay on the lookout for that coming up on my channel. So right now I'm doing some planning of upcoming videos, blog posts, content, like everything. So that's what I'm doing right now, working on that. I'm gonna edit a video, and yeah, so I'm gonna do this for about an hour, and then I'm gonna get up and make sure everything's ready, set for the week, and then I'm gonna relax. So I will see you all in a little bit.